Hello and welcome everybody to the channel GADOLA Education. So today in this session we are going to download, install and set up Microsoft Visual Studio Code for web development. So before starting the video, I would like to request you all to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel and also ring that bell notification icon. So first of all, go to any browser like your favorite one, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and search for VS Code. Then go to the first link, download Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, Windows. In that, if you go into that link, you will be finding the Microsoft Visual Studio Code application installer for 3 operating systems. I have already downloaded it for Windows, so I am having it already over there. It's Visual Studio Code. So first of all, I need to uninstall the previous application which I have already installed and used since many days. Just I will be uninstalling that one. Just a minute. Yeah, here it is. But we need to go to start button, right click on Visual Studio Code and uninstall. It does not uninstall by then. We need to go to programs and features. There select Visual Studio Code and uninstall it. Just a minute. Where is Visual Studio Code? Yeah, it's over here. Just click on uninstall. Give the permission. Yes. It will be uninstalled in less than 30 seconds or something like that. Just a minute, it's uninstalling. Yeah, it have been uninstalled. So let's now go to the installer, that is setup wizard of Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and install it. Yeah, opening it, double click on VS Code. Yeah, I agree the agreement. You need to click on that and next. And then you need to choose the file location as your desired wish. You can put it default, but I don't put it default because it is going into my C drive. My C drive is already full with many softwares, so I am putting it in my E drive. And click next. Here is the name of your application. If you want to put it as VS Code or Visual Studio Code, you can put it there. Here you need to check create a desktop icon and add the open with code to Windows Explorer context menu. Okay, then click next. And over here just install it. It will be completed in the same time, like 30 seconds to 50 seconds, less than a minute. So if you don't want to watch this video, you can skip up to there. Why I choose Visual Studio Code? Because it's user friendly and its user interface is also very good. We can customize our views also, so I'll be telling it later on. But if you want to use brackets or something, you can use it, no problem. But it should have plugins. Just click on finish, it will open. Soon after you click finish, it will be opening. Just a minute. It have been opened. At the first time installation, the view will not look like this, but you can customize it afterwards. I'll be saying you how to customize VS Code in later on videos, but for now we'll close this. Just don't worry about the view. You need to install some plugins which are required for web development. For that, you need to, if you want to know the shortcuts, you can click on interface overview. For now, you need to already you'll be having extensions toolbar. For those who are not having extensions toolbar, just press Command Shift X for Mac and Control Shift X. Yeah, it have been coming over here. Yeah, it has come. I will uninstall the plugins first of all, which I have installed previously. Just uninstall Mithril. Yeah, uninstalling. Yes, they have been uninstalled successfully. Yeah, closing Mithril Emmet. Just search for Emmet, E-M-M-E-T, Emmet. Yeah, E-M-M-E-T, Emmet. We have got it. Yeah, Mithril Emmet looks something like this. You need to install it, and then next go for live server, which shows the live preview of your developing web page. The second one, which looks something like this. So close these 2 pages. Just a minute. Yeah, now we have completed the setup of Microsoft Visual Studio Code for web development. From the next video onwards, we'll be creating a tool which is called as online class joining tool, which on YouTube you will not be finding it, since nobody have created it. For the first time we are creating it. So stay tuned up to that video. And for all the subscribers who have subscribed to my channel, I'm very thankful to you, and please keep on supporting and share this video also on all the social media platforms. And there is also a good news for all of you. I'm going to launch a front-end web development course on this channel, and stay tuned up to there and watch all the videos on this channel.